Hey everyone, I'm Mike Sherry, and I have a special guest here with me today. This is Chris Stewart, who is one of the finance members here at the dealership. And just to pump a little bit of Chris up here, Chris is a big part of our finance team. He actually joined in a few years ago. How many years ago?
3 years now.
3 years. And he started out selling RVs, particularly to customers who have had challenged credit in the past. And now he's moved up into a prominent finance role here at the dealership. And he's one of the key players that has allowed Paul Sherry RVs to be awarded one of the top finance teams in the nation across all RV dealers. So we're excited about that. And I just wanted to spend some time today picking Chris's ear about RV financing, about maybe some loan terms, and that kind of stuff. So Chris, what is a little bit different about terms and rates with RVs, maybe compared to cars or even houses?
Well, with RVs, they're a recreational item, and banks understand that. And to make it affordable for customers, the lenders we work with often give us longer terms,
Right.
and they'll give us a lower rate, especially in cases where a customer may go off on their own and apply for financing. They may run into trouble trying to do it on their own.
Okay.
That's where our finance team is really good about looking at the customer's credit profile and matching it up with the lenders we think will work best. And then often we can get a comfortable payment in term for the customer to make it more affordable for them to own an RV.
Yeah. And when you talk about terms in RVs, are you talking like a couple years? Like how long do they go out?
We typically can go anywhere from 12 up to 20 years of finance.
Oh, wow.
We can get some extended terms, especially when you're talking about a loan amount for like a motor home or a fifth wheel, and that can definitely make it affordable for our customers.
So really affordable payments. One thing I noticed, just uploaded a new website, is the payments are on the website. And it surprised me
Absolutely.
seeing how small a lot of these payments are. On,
Yeah.
on vehicles, I would imagine the payment would be drastic. So that's
Absolutely.
something really cool. Now, if a customer wants to maybe see what they qualify for, what's like the steps?
Well, basically what they can do is just fill out an application on our website.
You can do that right on our website.
They can do it right on our website.
Okay.
And then, so if you do that, then what will happen is our finance department receives your information first. So we're not going to pull your credit right away or anything like that. We're going to reach out to you as a customer to find out what it is you're looking to do.
All right.
And then, we're going to ask you a few questions as well, and maybe, try to verify a few things before we get started.
Sure.
Depending on where you fall, we might work your application right away, or you may end up working with our credit specialist department with George Walker.
Okay.
He does a great job. He is dedicated to any customer that's from 680 and below, and he can definitely help a lot of our customers get approved that are having trouble on their own.
So what you're saying is, even if like maybe you've had a couple of roadblocks in your credit in the
Absolutely.
past, it doesn't mean you can't buy an RV.
Nope, it does not mean that.
Okay.
And often we prove that wrong almost every instance, unless, you have just recently filed bankruptcy, and sometimes we can't get that done, but if you're 550 scoring on up, George can likely get it done for us.
Awesome. And now, like the other spectrum of it, say my credit's perfect, I've never missed a payment in my life, like what can you do for me?
Well, for you, what we can do is we've got a great relationship with some of the biggest banks in the country, and they're going to offer us those longer terms at really low rates. So that's really attractive to the customer that has great credit, because they don't want to borrow money at a high interest rate.
Sure.
So when we have this relationship worked out with these banks, we know right away when we see a top tier customer with their top credit, we know exactly who we're going to match them up with,
Okay.
and then try to get their financing with that bank.
Very cool, very cool. Well, I hope that answers your questions. My name's Mike Sherry. This is Chris Stewart. And by all means, if you have any questions about finance terms, Chris is your man to call. So give us a call here, and one of our finance, if Chris isn't available, one of our finance team members will be happy to assist you. So
Absolutely.
we're signing out.